We are trying to figure out what is the total cost of the costumes worn by Group B. Group A costume is $80 each. Group B, $90 each. So let's first figure out how many people are in each group. But let's let the letter B represent the number in Group B. And the reason I'm choosing B over A is because I'm trying to find something about B, and that'll save me a step in the end. We know there's 50 dancers altogether. So if I take 50 minus however many are in B, that's the number in A, Group A. All right, so let's write an equation. And if I knew how many were in Group B, then I could just multiply that number by 90, and that would give me the total cost. So I know if I take $80 and multiply that by the number of people in Group A, which is 50 minus B, that's how much was spent on the Group A. And if I take 90 and multiply it by however many people I have in Group B, which is Group B, that's going to represent the amount of money that's spent on Group B. But we know there was a total amount spent of $42.70. So let's get rid of our parentheses, distribute the 80, and that gives me 4,000 minus 80B plus 90B equals 4270. And let's combine the B's, that gives me 10B. And let's subtract 4,000 from both sides, that gives me 270. So that means B is 27. And what that means, there's 27 people in Group B. So now if we take 27 times $90, 9 times 7 is 63. 18 and 6 is 24. So $24.30 was spent on Group B outfits. And that's answer E.